Hadian balami kajingdawa na MP Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon ha Parliament badeban weng yo Professor Vice-Chancellor Shukla nagashuki Vice-Chancellor ka North Eastern University hagalai trik uyayong arajar pesan UMP Lok Sabha natura Parliamentary Constituency usaleng isang maru ula Ther tingye kajimpom pai kmat sorkar pneng syakani ke University usaleng habaya shiminta ka 0R notice ulaong bagalong ka basosi bagi samla pulie kani ke University ki haban mi syathangan bandawa wengno yo Professor Vice-Chancellor Shukla nagashuki Vice-Chancellor ulaong baka sorkar India kampai kmat syakani ke University bala rimtam ha North East pat benrap badon kamban penrem yo Vice-Chancellor peminta.
It's not working. Yeah. Thank you, Madam Chairperson. I feel really deeply denial of the central fact that very reluctant by the government and the false vision and the future. Perhaps maybe soft power referendum embrace benevolence. I'm worried about the students polarizing. It's not just that they express their dangerous sense, but it might add to the antisocial, Madam Chairperson. Now we could see the NEHU, the oldest university in the Northeast, the oldest centralist university. It's been systematically attacked. The Northeast has been systematically attacked. Even the budget, when you look at, it's very, very low. 99.9%, almost zeroing, Madam Chairperson. Now, lots of students, they have gone for the hunger strike, and some of them has been hospitalized. But till that, there is no issue raised by the central government. Madam Chairperson, I would like to request the central government at least go to the zero ground and then diagnose the situation. What is the reality that is happening? Even the ranking of this university has gone down drastically. It was one of the best, but now the ranking has gone down. So therefore, Madam Chairperson, I would like to request and then condemn the Vice-Chancellor. Because of him, the university has gone down, and because of him, the messiness in that university is happening. Therefore, Madam Chairperson, we should not only rely on the politics. Just messiness of the politics requires moderation, compromise, ultimately realism. Such civility requires a discussion, Madam Chairperson. Therefore, I would like to request at least try to.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.